people. All right. So we talk about polymorphism already. So polymorphism is a type of the inheritance. And the different way is this. You inheritance, but you act differently. Like an easy life example would be you and your siblings. Both of you, you and your siblings inherit your mom and dad, but you are not identical. Even though twins are not identical, each one of your specific thing. So that's called polymorphism. Polymorphism means change, allows you to change. Let's go to here right now. Our super class is objects. It's you don't need to extend. It's automatically extend to you. And inside that the objects, then after that it's component, container, window frame, JFrame, all these. Okay. So our super class, okay, right here is called objects. The objects super thing already have two strings. Alright, you don't need to write here, but if you write system.out.println, you put my name is Luis. It's going to display Luis because done by two string. And there's an equal and there's a hash code. There's something else, but these three are most popular ones. Okay. So right here, we tell you can inherit them. You already inherit. You don't even need to write because it's automatically extend. So without knowing that, you already given to you the two string equals and hash code. You already have that. You don't even know it. It's automatically extended to you. Then we're going to use them. How? How are we going to use them? Let's take a look here. Okay. So this become very useful right now. It's become very useful. So, so sometime on the internet, you have something and you want display. And you can create a template to display. For example, here. Remember two string? The regular two string is system.out.println blah blah blah. You understand? That's original one. But you are allowed to inherit and do different way. Polymorphism it. Look what you do in this crazy thing. You do dog. You do dog. Then you say, I'm a dog. I'm your best friend. Cat. I'm a cat. I'm so cute. And look here right now. System.out.println. Again, I have typo. That's cat. I say Katie. Jeez, I'm bad. So let's do the dog. Dog, your dog, new dog. System.out.print your dog. Guess what will print out? Can anyone tell me? Read it and can anyone tell me this? What will print out? Alright, you don't say anything, I won't continue. This is so important. This is very super useful. So pay attention right here. Pay attention. Alright, so one more time. Your two string, your equal, your hash code were given to you. How do you know it's given to you? We say it right here. It's automatically extended to you. But you are allowed to write differently. You are allowed to write differently. So this is why I write. I'm going to write, when you see dog, you say I'm a dog. And why you need to do like that? Because on the internet, you can create template, reply message. Have you seen template internet has automatically reply message right there? Huh? That's how you do. All right? So dog, right here. I'm a dog. I'm your best friend. Cat. I'm a cat. I'm so cute. So right here, did you see your here right now? So
The output will be I am a dog, I'm your best friend, and I am a cat. I am so cute.
yes, yes, yes. Do you understand? And what's the I know these dog and cat are so silly, right? But imagine you already have a set of candidate response on the internet. And when they type something, we trigger those. Do you understand? And then you don't need to have a person see behind uh, the program to do it for you. Do you understand? And this is called what? Override. It's also polymorphism, but we have different name called that. It's called override. It's called override. It's okay. We have. I'm sorry. You just as a programmer, there are so many weird names, but it's called override. All right. Override is they have some definition right there already. I'm going to extend that definition, make it sort of my way. Do you understand? So this is my way right now. All right. This is a cat way, dog way. And the other thing is right now, we're going to uh, override bunch of things here. Um, right here. All right. So this one doesn't work. We don't have that. We tell you is C++ has it. Java doesn't have it. We need to use this equal sign. We use equal sign here. And basically, we want to tell you, or this way or that way. We want to tell you Java actually doesn't have, doesn't allow you for C++. Every single sign, you can override it. You understand? You can make it to, you can override, different way. But Java no. Java no. So pay attention. Java no. Java only allows you to do the plus, minus, greater than, equal than to have the override. So different meaning right there. Okay. So let me go next one right here. Homework. Okay. Hold on. Just a minute. Okay. Too many things. Okay, so that's coming back this concept here. Okay, so right here. All right, so can you tell me J friend? Can you tell me right here? J friend inherit from how many classes? J friend. Can you tell me? Anybody? J friend. That's right. J friend inherit from friend. Friend inherit from friend inherit from window, window from container, container from component, component from object. So let's take a look at this one right now. I have a public class employee. I have a public class employee. So based on these, how many private variable I have for the employee? How many private variable I have for employee? No, no, no. Because it's two, because it's one line, so you think this one two name and base salary. Is that right? Name and base salary. All right. So I have another class called manager. I have another class called manager. It's going to employ. It's going to inherit from employee. So how do you write it? You write public class manager extend employee. Then if I have another class called CEO, extend employee, how do I write it? Public class what? CEO extend employee. So my manager has one variable right now, bonus. All right. So now, so how many variable manager has right now? How many variables? Employee has 2. Manager has 1. First grade math. What's it 2 plus 1? Can anyone tell me? When I talk to hand, my own hand. 3. Vivian, 3. What are the 3? What are the 3, Vivian? What are the 3? Can anyone tell me what are the 3 variables? Will be name and base salary from the employee and the bonus from itself. Is that right? Do you understand? Yes or no? We're going to, again, devil is in the detail. We have to understand everything right now. Okay, so then go back. That's tell you done for your chapter 9. Go back to read about them. All right, so you took the advanced class. You want to be a programmer. All right, so you're almost there right now. You get all these new concepts. You have to study again to make all concepts and piece together become a big piece, a masterpiece for you. I know each one of you are so smart. Each one of you are so smart. I want to squeeze out you to pay attention one more week and to study this. Is that okay? Please. Chapter 10 goes to interface. And interface is unique to the Java. Let me go to next, okay? So, first, abstract class. Abstract class. So take a look here. I have abstract class here. I have abstract class. How do I know? It say abstract. Public abstract class animal. In abstract class, I can have abstract method. Whenever you say abstract means no code. Just have a name. Okay? Just no code. Just have a name. Look here. Abstract void animal sound. No code. No code at all. I didn't see anywhere. I didn't see anywhere have code. Right? Alright. Then public void sleep. Public void sleep. Now I have code. So this one, let me ask you right now. This abstract class is called animal. This abstract class is called animal. Has two method. One is abstract method. One is regular method. Which one is the abstract method? 王硕. Which one? Wang Shuo, are you there? Wang Shuo, are you there? Your abstract class animal has 2 methods. One is abstract method. One is regular method. Michael, which one is abstract method? Hey guys, if you don't know how to do this, you cannot take your midterm exam. You'll fail. Are you there or you just watch YouTube right? Yes, Michael. Animal sound. How do you know that? Because no code and you say abstract. And then the other one is regular. How do you know that? Because no abstract is regular. And then you have to write code. Now. So when you do pick, extend. So this is also inheritance. When you do inheritance right here, and the animal sound here, you have no way to write anything. It's just going to, alright? It's just animal sound right here. All right. Then you're going to the sound you write. This is the sound you're going to provide. Okay. So the pig is going to say that. Your cat will say something. All right. So your code, your animal sound code is going to implement at your subclass. That means your superclass has nothing. Add your subclass and you do whatever you want. Okay? But based on what you need, right? And the sleep, you have nothing to say. Sleep is whatever parent write is going to like that way. Is that okay? So that makes your program become very, very useful now. So whatever some of them are always need to be like that way, let's inherit them and don't touch. And some of them is adaptable. And it's based on whatever device, based on whatever the thing you need, and we have to change. Then that's why you write. So this abstract class. Better yet, go to interface. Interface is totally abstract. Totally abstract. No code at all. All the code is in Java Bible. No code at all. So interface is totally, absolutely abstract class. Nothing. Nothing. All right. So absolutely abstract class is called what? Absolute abstract class is called interface. Yes, it's called interface. All right. So what we need to do that, we want to hide the code. The other most important thing is Java does not support multiple interface, multiple inheritance. You are not allowed to say, oh, same thing. I go to same output device, then go to Nokia, go to Android or different. No. All right. No. But you have an interface. Use the interface to activate. That's what we do today. Do you understand? When we do our button click, you can write that button 100 different way, and Android your Java doesn't want to take care of that. Your Java want interface. So going to interface, the interface allows you to write your inner code to control it. So animal sound, we don't write anything. Okay, nothing. Okay, nothing right there. And pig do this. Okay, and dog do whatever. You study this. Okay, you study that. All right. So back to this. Back to this. Interface so confused, right? So confused. But interface is a large thing. Basically, we want to use interface to combine together, become a data type. That's a data type. All right. So if you just make something interface, then you want to make interface bundle with something together, make a data type. You want to do like that. Otherwise, your interface is just interface, not that powerful. Okay. So right here, we say this. I'm going to have an interface here. Okay. And my interface is going, but this is not a very useful thing. But I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this thing and implement with my. So I'm implement. So you want to say this. If the thing you use very often, okay, and you know are allowed to ask somebody else to do it. But when you do it, you need to, they are not exactly the same. The average, average for student grade, average, you can do bank account. You can do average for rectangle area. So now as a programmer, you have to think right now. You want to do one size fits all. You can. As a Java programmer, you really cannot do one size fits all. But interface will help you to do one size fits all and conquer the world. All right, you really can conquer the world. Yes, with the interface. But because interface is so relaxed, there's nothing right there. You have to write by your own. So you actually write a class. You write a class, and implement that class. Make that class as a tool, and we call that data type. So then you make that class become an interface. All right? That's right. That's right, Enrique. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, that's right. Multi-purpose. Thank you. Yes. All right. And another one is then your interface will allow you to write is not only multi-purpose, then you can make it become like the when you multi-purpose, and how to say that, not only multi-purpose, and we can say that adaptable, because all class when you write are different. Is that right? A rectangle class, that's from Bible, and the constructor and has a bunch of methods from Bible. Bank account, we wrote it. Is that right? And we have balance, we have deposit, we have withdraw. How do you get one thing to fit for the Bible and for us, for everybody? Very hard, right? But if you create interface, if you make the class you want to fit all, and you make that to the interface, and you write by your way. So that's why you have to right here. Look here. It's going to call interface measurable. Is that okay? But how do you measure? You're going to write all these things. So I'm going to get average. I'm going to go average. So this thing and the interface measurable all together is called as a type right now. As a type. So we tried this before, and we tried that before. Okay. So they are type right now. Let's take a look here. So let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, it's too small. All right. So it's a type now. So let me so right here, you see, I have a area measure, implement measure. Then my this thing is here, right here. Then somewhere I implement. Is that right? Let me okay, implement measure. You see that? So then sorry, right here, right here. I have an interface measure. Okay, see that right now? And I have a double measure. Okay, that's then I am going to write my specific code right there. Okay, let's go continue right now. I make it smaller right now. So once the call, I'm sorry for this all weird name, okay? But it's the time we need to learn all these weird names is mean what right now. So the interface and plus the class word plus a class combined together as a type, and if that thing, that small package can let everybody use it, it's called callback class. All right, so now we are going to do right here. We have a callback class. The callback class right here is the average. The average callback class will be allowed anybody use it. All right. So bank account can use it. Student can use it too. Bank account, student can use it. All right. Then we do these two. Give me 5 more minutes. I'll let you go. 5 more minutes. I haven't finished this yet. You can take a look here. Rectangle. I will make a video for you. You can do here. Then we also did the inner class. Remember, we do the inner class. Then we finally go to our interface again. All right. So now we're going to make interface a lot more useful right now. So okay, fine right now. Okay. All right. So we are going to do the UI, user interface. Okay, I'll do right now. Okay, I'll do the okay. All right, give me 3 minutes. Okay, give me 3 minutes. All right, so I'm going to do the user interface here. So when I do UI, I know I need the interface. I know I need a class, and the class combined with the interface combined with that class together make a bundle right now. Isn't that called callback? Is that right? Isn't that callback? And that class can allow anybody to use it. It's like a template. And also that class is tiny, small class, and only fit specific to the class only. So that class here, I combine the interface and combine the class together, and this class only fit into this program. Why don't I put them together? And so I can easily to see and modify. This is called inner class. Okay, inner class. So we have example right here. So gentlemen,